Dashcam Rhinelander, Wisconsin. Going from CircleK, following Lincoln Street to the Goodwill store to donate a chair nobody wanted for free on the curler. A lot less snow on the sides of the road this time. Past the Domino's, past the Christ, past the Rhinelander Dental, past the Dairy Queen, past the Chinese restaurant, Peking, past Habitat for Humanity Restore, past the laundromat I don't like to go to because it's on that side of the road, past the laundry lobby, the laundromat I like to go to because it's on that side of the road, past the smoke shop, past the coffee shop, past the liquor store, past the bar, past Kohl's, past Sherwin-Williams, past the AT&T phone store, past the I don't know how to check my own oil or change it place, past the car wash, past the place where you go have dinner and they call you amigo or senorita, past Verizon, past Marie's, past Realtor, past the auto parts store, past the Boohoo Foot place, dialysis store, past Aldi's, past the car wash, past Home Depot, past the Dunkin' Donut, past the jewelry store, past another phone store, past Comforting, past the auto salon, past the dock shop, past the Dollar General. Watch out for giant potholes, big cracks in the road, past Tractor Supply Place, past Walmart store. Wait, we'll turn it to Walmart store. It's easier to get to Goodwill that way. Sometimes. It's probably the homie I saw this morning. We should have asked him for a job now. Except I got Goodwill food again. We got kayaks at the Walmart. Alright, Goodwill, here we come.